Hello, my name's Adrian Cockings and you're watching Keystyle TV. And today I'm going to be taking you around this beautiful, fully reformed 3-bed, 2-bath villa here in Sucina. So as you come through the side bit of the property from the front, you've got this beautiful dining area, big enough for an 8-seater table, definitely. And you've got barbecues galore, some outside fridges, and some storage units with electric rolling shutters. Now this lounge area can be fully opened up if you want some gorgeous sunshine, or you can close this area with these giant awnings that go all the way down to the wall and to the sides as well. Everything on this villa has been thought about, from the motorized front gate for off-road parking, down to the extra storage room you have on the side of the property. So as you come through the front door, you're immediately greeted with the beautiful open plan living room to the kitchen. So on this level, you've got 2 spare bedrooms and the spare bathroom with walk-in shower. And upstairs, you've got this. Your master bedroom on its own level, which makes it super private. You've got your ensuite bathroom and terrace doors, which open up to the spectacular country views of Sucina. Well, that's it from me here today in Sucina, but if you want any more information about this property or any other properties that we have on our books, make sure you check out our website at www.keystyleproperties.com, and make sure you like, comment and subscribe to keep up to date with all the latest property videos. Well, my name's Adrian Cockings and I'll see you next time.